Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet all participants in mathematics, science, education, and engineering international seminar. I would like to present my research about evaluation of green hospital implementation aspects, locations, and landscape in the construction of the Bayangkara Sartika Asih Hospital. My name is Iskandar Mudapuro Amijaya, and I'm a lecturer in Civil Engineering Study Program. Okay. Introduction. Hospitals, as a part of the health industry, play a role in improving health so that they have a positive impact on the good quality of life. On the other hand, the condition of the hospital environment has the potential to be the biggest sources of disease pollution to the surrounding environment. Therefore, to be able to carry out health service function optimally, the hospital is required to meet environmental management indicators. Green hospital provides financial benefit that conventional buildings do not provide. Green hospital provides financial benefit that conventional buildings do not provide. This benefit include energy and water savings, reduce waste, and lower operating and maintenance costs. The green concept that refers to the principles of sustainability and implementing environmentally friendly practices is still a new thing in Indonesia. The construction of the Bayangkara Sartika Asih Hospital needs to be reviewed and evaluated so that it can be seen to what extent the green hospital has been implemented, especially in the aspects of location and landscape. The purpose of writing this article is to assess the implementation of green hospitals and provide technical recommendation for the Bayangkara Sartika Asih Hospital. Methodology. This type of research is descriptive qualitative. The study measures based on the guidelines for the green hospital of the Ministry of Health of the Republic of Indonesia 2018, which has aspect of location and landscape indicators that serve as variables. Primary data collection is carried out by means of observation, then collecting secondary data obtained from the planner, which includes a plan drawing, a budget plan, RWP, requirements work plan, as well as from literature studies and related regulations. The study area describes Bayangkara Sartika Asih Hospital. Parameter, red percentage of green hospital implementation on location and landscape indicators. Study area. The research location is located at Jalan Raya Muhammad Toha, number 369, Ciseruh, Regol District, Bandung City, West Java, 40256. 2.3 Green Hospital. The Ministry of Health 2018 Green Hospital Guidelines achievement standards will be achieved accessible to the general public, building owners, and construction service actors. The standard that Green Hospital wants to achieve is the existence of energy efficient buildings that are environmentally friendly from the planning, construction to daily operation and maintenance stages. Green Hospital of the Ministry of Health of the Republic of Indonesia 2018, which has aspects of location and landscape indicators that serve as variables, Its existing category was criteria and benchmarks that serve as point assessment of the condition of the building. 3.1 result indicators, location and landscape. First is the location of hospital is easy to reach by using public transportation. In the checklist, yes. And then the second assessment, pedestrian path facilities in the hospital area to the bus stop, special place to public transportation. Yes. And third is bicycle facilities, parking area. In the checklist, no. And the fourth, the existence of landscape area in the form of vegetation, green open spaces. In the checklist, yes. 5, rainwater infiltration well facilities or rainwater infiltration pond facilities. In the checklist, no. And 6, biopore infiltration facility. In the checklist, no. 7, paving or grass block installed in the yard or outside parking areas. In the checklist, yes. And the percentage of green hospital implementation on location and landscape indicators is total implementation indicators divided by green hospital indicators and 4 divided 7 cross 100%, and then we get 57.14%. And result indicators, location and landscape. Implementation of location and landscape indicators has 4 points with 7 requirements, namely: A, the location of the Bhayangkara Sartika Asih Hospital is easily accessible by using public transportation in Bandung, for example, public transportation. B, the green open space area is garden in the front area of the new Sartika Asih Bhayangkara Hospital building and a vertical garden in the new building, while the wall garden is not yet available in the hospital area. And C, the special parking area for bicycles is not yet available at Bhayangkara Sartika Asih Hospital because the parking area is quite limited and land is limited, so that the bicycle parking lot is combined with motorcycle parking with both in the basement and in the old building parking area. D, pedestrian path facilities within the hospital area to the bus stop are not yet available. Hospital visitors who will go to the bus stop are on the same road as visitors who do not use public transportation. And E, rainwater infiltration wells are not yet available in the area of Bhayangkara Sartika Asih Hospital because the existence of green open spaces is still wide, so that the water absorption is still good. And F, the biopore infiltration hole has not been found in the hospital area. And G, paving blocks are already in the country yard area and the parking area for the new Bhayangkara Sartika Asih Hospital. Paving blocks are useful for avoiding stagnant water because they have high absorption capacity, thereby reducing the risk of flooding. Technical recommendation. Number 1, indicator wall garden. Recommendation, provision of garden wall covering an area of 3 multiply 4 meters in 5 points. Second, special facility for bicycle parking area. There is a secure bicycle parking lot as much as 1 parking unit per 20 building user up to a maximum of 100 bicycle parking units. Third, pedestrian path facilities and provision of bus stops. Provision of a stop in front of the main door of the hospital building measuring 4 multiply 3 meters and a pedestrian path. Fourth, rainwater infiltration well. provision of rainwater absorption wells in accordance with the regulation of the Minister of Public Works. And fifth, biopore infiltration holes recommendation, provision of biopore infiltration holes in the accordance with the regulation of the biopore infiltration holes. Result and discussion. 3.2 technical recommendation. Wall garden. A. Vertical garden is a garden that is designed and built vertically that can function as a space divider and cover the building walls. In general, vertical gardens can be divided into two types, namely green facades and living walls. The criteria that must be met to select a vertical garden as a means of rainwater management in buildings and parcels are: first, the vertical garden that is used should be light and not overload the wall structure. Second, the type of plant use should not be destructive to the walls building. Third, plant grow use is not too fast, making it easier maintenance and do not overload the walls of the buildings. Garden wall design, an example of laying a vertical garden on a building. This is the graph, and this is a figure of garden wall design. And then public technical recommendation for public stop laying of the bus stop beside the entrance gates of the Jalan Muhammad Toha as well. This can be added with the provision of a preservation pathway to the Bayangkara Sartika Asih Hospital building. With the addition of bus stops, the existence of a conservation road, the points on the location and landscape indicators can increase. And rainwater absorption wells facilities. The hospital should provide water retention facilities in the form of rainwater infiltration wells during the construction of the hospital building, with provision from the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing, so that during the rainy season, floods do not occur and increase groundwater reserves. With criteria, the technical requirements for infiltration wells that must be met are as follows. First, depth of groundwater. The minimum groundwater depth is 1.50 meters during the rainy season. Second, soil permeability. The usable soil structure must have value soil permeability bigger than 2.0 centimeter per hour. Third is distance to buildings. The distance of the placement of rainwater infiltration wells to the building. And 3.2 is technical recommendation. The use and manufacture of conventional infiltration wells must comply with SNI 03-2453-20002 concerning procedures for rainwater infiltration wells for yard land. The classification of infiltration wells based on the SNI is type 2 rainwater infiltration well with brick or red brick pair walls without plaster and between pairs is given a hole gap and can be applied to all types of soil with a maximum depth of 3 meters. Biopore infiltration holes. The hospital should provide a biopore infiltration hole during the construction of the hospital building to reduce rainwater patterns and increase water absorption on the ground with the provisions of the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing. Biopore infiltration holes are cylindrical holes that are made vertically into the soil with a diameter of 10 to 30 centimeters and a depth of about 80 to 100 centimeters, or in the case of soils with shallow groundwater levels not exceeding the depth of the groundwater level. The gauze are filled with organic waste to trigger the formation of biopores, which are pores in the shape of holes, small tunnels, created by the activity of soil fauna or plant roots. This is a biopore rainwater infiltration hole model. Okay. Conclusions. The result of assessment index on the location and landscape indicators aspect of the Green Hospital in the construction of the Bhayangkara Sartika Asi Hospital building obtained an index value of 57.14%. So the Bhayangkara Sartika Asi Hospital building has met several Green Hospital indicators in the aspect location and landscape. Several location and landscape indicators in the construction of the Bhayangkara Sartika Asi Hospital building can be improved and provide several indicators that are not yet available by providing pedestrian pathways, bus stops, special parking areas for bicycles, water infiltration wells, and biopore infiltration holes. It is necessary to make a program effort from the management of the Bhayangkara Sartika Asi Hospital in Bandung to improve the implementation of indicators for location and landscape aspects that are not in accordance with the 2018 Ministry of Health's Green Hospital Guidelines. Okay, I think it is enough. Thank you very much for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.